Can I write not false? Can I write not single quote A? No, not is allowed only for logical operators are allowed only for Boolean operators. Okay, next Boolean value. Next, not is a unary operator. Can I use unary operator left side or right side? Plus plus is a unary operator. I can use left side or right side of the operand, right? A plus 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 A. Similarly, can I use not true? Not true. True not. Not possible. Only you can use not first, then true next. Is it clear? Okay, done. Now, hope you have done some research on Google also, search some questions. Last class, I requested you, daily you have to work with objective round questions, okay? Means multiple choice questions. Java operators, multiple choice questions, MCQs. Like this, you search. You'll find so many websites. Any website, okay? Generally, San Foundry exam where the people are most following. You can also verify in another website also, okay? Now let me take this exam whether any other questions are there. Did we? What is the result? This one already we practiced, I guess, right? Scroll down. These all completed. Now tell me, what is the result of this expression true and false in Java? False. Hey. True and false in Java is false, no? Huh? Huh? Why be wrong? Why is given 2 times and D is right option? Any spelling mistake here? Okay. Remember, there are some spelling mistakes also will be given. Hurriedly don't choose the option. Read each letter, okay? Actually, he wanted to give L this side, A this side. Okay, now, plus. But he forgot it. Okay, no problem. And now, this one. What is the value of this expression? True. Tell me, operator precedence you have to think, right? Now, 5, first here, how many operators are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which operator is first executed? Plus always first executed. 5 plus 2, 7. 7. Next, which operator executed first? Which operator executed first? Now, remaining operators are what? Double equal to equality operator, logical operator, and relational operator. Which operator first executed? Relational operator. Logical operator meant for concatenating, na? Just a simple apply common sense. Sir, I didn't remember the table. No need to remember. Apply simple common sense, you will get. Now, next what is executed? Logical operator meant for concatenating. And it should be last execution operator. Now, equality first executed or relational operator first executed? Relational operator. We have learned order also. I followed the precedence only. Okay. Now, 4 greater than 7. Sorry, 4 greater than 3. What? True. Okay. Now, remaining operators are what? Double equal to double n. Which one executed? Double equal. 7 double equal to 7. True. Now, true and true. Result is true. Wow, wonderfully worked. Okay. Next, which operator is logical not in Java? Yeah, Walker. What is the result of the expression 5 or 3? We didn't learn, no. Write down. Bitwise operators. Today, already written a last class. Bitwise operators. Tell me, why these operators are called bitwise? Why these operators are called bitwise? Bitwise. What are the bit? 0 or 1. Bitwise means bit 0 or bit 1. Write down. Above 4 or 3 are. Above 4 operators are called bitwise operators. Above 4 operators are called bitwise operators because above 4 operators are called bitwise operators because these operators perform calculations on the given number binary value bitwise. On the given number binary value bitwise 0 and 1. Bitwise 0 and 1. Okay, na? Down. Suppose if we write 5 and 6. And A and D na symbol under. If you write 5 and 6 or comma 5 or 6. R and which are you writing? Double R or singular? Singular. Comma 5 cap 6. Comma 5 cap and which cap? Upper arrow mark. Okay. 5 cap 6. Here the numbers. Here the numbers 5 and 6. Here the numbers are digits, whatever. Here the number 5 and 6 are ARER converted to bits 0 and 1. Converted to bits 0 and 1. Then performs calculations. Performs calculations. Okay, na? So tell me, do you know how to convert a number to binary data? What I have to do? Divided by 2. Write down. Converting decimal value to binary number. Divide the number by 2 until we get quotient 1. Until we get the quotient 1. Quotient 1. Look at here. 2, 5. Divide 2 2s 4. Remainder 1. Again you have to divide 2 1s 0. Quotient is 1 na? Then you have to stop dividing. Understood? Until the quotient is 1, you have to stop dividing. Okay, I mean you should keep on dividing. Once the quotient is 1, stop dividing. Right, continuation. Full stop. Collect the bits. Continuation. Collect the bits. From which side to which side? Down to bottom. Bottom to top. Bottom to top. And write digits. Which side to which side? Left to right. 1 0 1 Okay. Full stop. For example, convert 5 to binary number. Convert 5 to binary number. What the 5 value? 101. Generally, minimum four bits we will calculate. So after collecting 101, here we will place what? 0. Minimum 4 bits we will calculate. Now, can you do the 6? Convert 6 to the binary number. You try yourself. Okay. Everyone got same answer? 0, 1, 1, 0. Convert 7 or say 15. 15, 15. 15 converted to binary. 2 sevens. 2 threes. 2 twos. 2 1. Sorry. 1. 15 is equal to 4 ones. Okay. Then you must question me, sir, how can we decide this value right or wrong? I done calculation, but how can I confirm it is right or wrong? Okay, write down. Other way of calculations. Other way of conversion. Other way of conversion. Other way of conversion. Other way of conversion. Look at here. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7. Okay, 0 to 7, 8 bits. Actually, 1 byte means how many bits? 8 bits. Okay, then 2 power 0 means 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 128. Okay, now I want value 5. Then tell me, to get value 5, what are the bits I should add? You need 1, and next what? 4. What bits you want? Take that as 1. Remaining all you take what? 0. Ardhamainda Raja? So this is the 5 equivalent binary number. Same value we also got now 101. Now I want 6. 6, what digits I have to consider? 6 means 4, 2. Now only these 2 bits are 1 and remaining all are 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Same thing we got now 110. Now 15. Just now you have written 15. What the 15 equivalent binary number? What all I have to consider? 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15. So 1, 1, 1, 1. Remaining all are 0, 0, 0. Okay? Write down this calculation. Whichever is easy for you, you feel easy, you can follow that. I prefer first approach. That's a easy, quickly you can calculate. Any confusion? All are comfortable? This conversion is very important for understanding binary bitwise operators. Iyengar, what is your doubt in 15? Which numbers, if you add 15, you will get 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. If you consider these 4 bits, then we will get 15. Na? So you have to consider those 4 bits as 1, remaining bits as 0. Is it clear, guys? Any confusion, doubts? Okay. Now, tell me, what is the result of 5 or 3? First, what I told, convert 5 to the binary 0, 1, 0, 1. Convert 3, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. After conversion, OR operator I have to apply. OR operator means 1 or 1. What? Minus. No, minus 2 addition, subtraction, that is different. 1 minus 1, 0. 1, 1, 2, 1, 0. Okay? Binary addition, binary subtraction is different. Binary and binary OR is different. Okay? Tell me, true and true? True and false? False and false? False, false and true? Same story here also. Okay? True is nothing but 1. False is nothing but 0. Simple calculation. Okay? Tell me now. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Which operator I'm applying? And. First I want and. And 0 or 1? 0. 1 or 0? 0, 0. What is the 3? Okay. What is the value of 5 and 3? Convert this number to decimal. What value? 1. 1. Everyone understand? Tell me. Now 5, this is a 5 and 3. Now I want 5 or 3 value, how much I want you find. Come on, tell me again, you have to convert. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Apply what operator? R. R means what? 1 or 1, 1. 0 or 1, 1. 1 or 0, 1. 0, 0, 0. Result 7. అంతే కదా 4 plus 3 7. So 5 or 3 is 7. Okay, let's see. 7. Right. समझ में आया? And not understand? Yesterday logical truth table, remember? Logical truth table, if you remember, same thing. True place what I should place? 1. False place what I should write? 0. True and true. True. 0 means what? False. False and true. False. True and false. False, false. And right. Truth table. Truth table for what? Bitwise operators. Truth table for bitwise operators. Write down. Same as logical, same as logical, double and double R. Same as logical, double and double R. Now this is double and double R, right? Continuation. Here, in bitwise, true place we use 1. True place we use 1. And false place we use 0. Okay, na? Right. We can apply bitwise operator on Boolean data type and also on numbers also. Tell me, in place of true, what I should write? 1. If you guys don't involve, it is a confusion. If you involve, no confusion. Write on the table. Operators, it's a maths. You should use your brain to do calculation. It's not Telugu Hindi subject. When I'm talking, when I'm asking questions, you have to reply. If you don't reply, if you sit silently, you will not understand. Tell me, true means 1, 1 and 1 is 1. Next, oh, that's not. Next, 1, 0, 0. Zero, 1, 0. Next, 0, 0, 0. Copy. Tell me, 1 or 1, 1. 1 or 0, 1. 0 or 1, 1. 0, 0, 0. XR is a dangerous fellow. If both operands are same, result is 0. 1, 1, 0. 1, 0, 1. 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 0. అంతే ఏముంది అక్కడ టఫ్ a plus b whole square. Not understand, sir. ఏమర్థమైంది అక్కడ అర్థం కావడం. What is there now not to understand? You have to by heart remember అంతే. There is a formula you have to remember. Not understand and never understand. So simple. Altama's Khan. Did you understand now? Still doubt? Write down. we can apply bitwise operators. Which bitwise operators? And comma, or comma, cap on Boolean, comma, integers and characters. We can apply bitwise operators and or cap on Boolean, comma, integers and characters. Why on characters? Because character also can be converted as number. Single quote if you write, that will be converted to 97. 97 converted to binary value zeros and ones. Okay, na 8 bits zeros and ones it will come. Full stop. Next. Continuation. We cannot apply them on continuation. We cannot apply these operators on floating point numbers, we cannot apply these operators on floating point numbers, comma, string, array and class. String, array and class. String, comma, array and class. Clear? Why you cannot apply on them? Because we cannot convert them into binary data. Okay, binary data conversion not possible. What type value can be converted to binary? That one. Next, very, very important question. What is the difference between logical and bitwise and? Are both the same? No. Where is the difference? Sir, formula is same, na, sir. Formula is the same, but where is the difference? Double and may or may not execute second operand, but bitwise operators must execute second operand irrespective of the value in the first operand. Why? Because these operators must work with what? Bits. Understand my point? If a bit is not there, it cannot work. So that's why double and double R may or may not execute second operand, but bitwise operators always execute second operand. Okay, right. Bitwise, logical and or, logical and comma or may or may not execute second operand. May or may not execute second operand. Whereas bitwise and or, bitwise and or always executes both operands. Clearer? Look this. Double and double are logical operators. Single and single are bitwise operators. Allowed operand only Boolean. Allowed operands are integers, characters, Boolean. Meant for concatenating conditions and generating final result to true or false. Meant for bitwise calculation, generates either Boolean value or number. If you use a Boolean data type, Boolean value. If you use integer, then number. Okay. Next, result type is always Boolean. Result type is either integer or Boolean. Second operand may or may not be executed. No use. Both operands are always executed because bitwise calculations. Understood? So if you don't remember this, confusion will be there, wrong results you will get. Okay. You want to write full table or just understand it? Not required. No? All points already I gave the notes. Okay. But just for summary purpose, at one place I given. Now let us try to write one small program on this bitwise operators. Look at here. This is calculation. What is this? Which operator I applied here? And here or here XR. Write on this. Bitwise operators main method 516, 5R6, 5 cap 6. And this is the calculation side. You should also habituate following websites, following YouTube channels, following some interview questions, practice along with the regular classes. Already websites are there now, sir, then why should I join the course? Websites and YouTube channels only meant for already learned students. Okay, for revision purpose. They are for revision purpose, not for learning purpose. Okay, you wanted to do revision. Yes, you have to go through the websites, because once you have some awareness on the content, then when you are reading, your mind fast it will take. When you don't know anything, what you are reading, why you are reading, how you are reading, you don't have idea. So any channel you can follow, any website you can follow, no problem. Any what you call mobile app you can follow. Once you complete today class topic, you must go to Google and search for the content on that, programs on that, exam questions on that. If you are wasting your time after going to room by spending time on unnecessary things, I'm telling you, you are the loser. Next class, when you're coming back, just by giving the heading, your mind should connect to previous class topic and comparison previous class to today class. That is the way. If you start learning, you will get more idea. Otherwise, it face a lot of problems. Okay. Here onwards, I'm going very fast. One day, I may cover 20-30 points. Up to now, I'm going slow. Now, all topics are over. Okay, before operators, how to store data completely. While I'm teaching operators, my focus is on storing data. Now, my focus is on operators, calculations. Once you store data, once you do validation calculation, next, tomorrow onwards, every program contains these data types and operators only. Na? If you don't practice data type and operators and not remember every point we learn in the class, not practiced programs around these topics, is it easy for you to understand coming classes? No. And will you enjoy the coming classes? No. Follow my point. So if you want to enjoy coming classes, I'm requesting you, you have to practice written test questions. So I'm showing you some questions here. Like this, you have to go through different websites. Next, today, all you people create HackerRank account. HackerRank website is there, na? We will start practicing from tomorrow onwards. We will start practicing HackerRank website also. By the end of my course completed on Core Java, HackerRank, everyone should get 5-star rating. Ready? With the 5-star badge, if you upload your resume, HackerRank, LeetCode, 2 websites are there. LeetCode is a little difficulty website. Next level, higher level, difficulty level questions will be there. HackerRank, easy level, intermediate, and then difficulty level will be there. We will try to work out on all the levels. HackerRank, LeetCode, CodeChef. Okay, CodeChef and CodeSignal. There are some websites are there. So Up to now, we are working on only logical programs. I mean, not even logical programs, also learning concepts only. Now we are good at concepts. It's the time now we have to participate in the race. Up to now, you are learning how to ride a cycle. Cycle riding is over. Balancing you got. It's the time now you have to participate in the race. For the race purpose, you should start practicing lot of things. All are you ready? So daily you have to work along with me. After class completed, the free time you have to spend, you have to fix 2 hours minimum for core Java revision, not for learning. Learning should be completed in class. After going to room, you have to do revision. How to do revision? With the entry questions first. Okay, go to Google first, not HackerRank. Go to Google, search operators, entry questions, operators, MCQ questions, half an hour, complete. Then next, now HackerRank, go to HackerRank, operators based programs, try to write. Okay, na? If you practice like this 2 hours per 2 hours per day in the room, then your logical programming, analyzation, understanding will be improved. If in the interview, if they ask, write a program, chaka, you will get an idea of writing program. So same guidelines I gave to your senior batches also. They didn't listen me. They didn't follow me. Finally, they are in crying stage. You also want to come to the crying stage? No, right? You want to enjoy the subject now? So please don't come to the crying stage. Don't follow your seniors. Change your attitude. Your stage now is in a huge competition. Now I am telling you openly. Companies are not recruiting candidates on head count. Realize it. Now IT industry is also becoming government jobs. How many people are applying for government job? Lakhs. How many jobs are there? Tens, thousands, thousands. Tens. Lakhs of people are there applying for tens of jobs. Then huge competition. Now IT industry is also having same huge competition. Change your mind. If you are not a skilled employee, you will not get job. You have to compete with not your student. You have to compete with the faculty. I am your competitor, not your classmate. Interviewer is your competitor, not the candidate who is applying for the interview. Your skill will not be compared with other candidate skill. Your skill is compared with the interviewer skill. Realize that? Interviewer expected answer if you give, interviewer style of answer if you give, he will give you job. If you are feeling, am I giving better answer than my other candidate? No, don't compare. That jamana over. So you have to compete yourself with the faculty first. Am I better than Hari? Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, I will get job. No, I will not get job. Ante. Simple. Only you compete with me. Only you should be better than me. Always you should, by end of the class, next class when you come, I am better than Hari. Wastefully, you don't know this also. Every day you should come to me and ask the questions which I don't know. You should always find in the Google where Hari cannot answer the question. This is the challenge you should have. Let me find one new question Hari cannot answer. In intermediate, I have my maths lecturer, a wonderful teacher. I find different test papers. Deepti test paper. That time we are following 4 test papers. Deepti, Vikram, one more person there. I didn't remember. And regular textbook. All in one textbook. There are totally 4 books we used to study. Then all programs I'm practicing, all program, what you call problems, all problems here. Somewhere corner one problem I found and I'll solve it. Feeling that he cannot answer. He will look at there, step by step 2, step 3, step 4, all written, go. This also you solved. I feel so sad. This also you solved. Yeah, this much knowledge, how did he get? Okay, a faculty must be like that. Student also must be like this. I never compete with my classmates. I never compete with my colleagues. I always compete with my my teachers. Now, when I started teaching Java, I always trying to compete with James Gosling. Really? Smiling, na? Really, I'm telling. How I compete with James Gosling, no? When I take one concept, how James Gosling designed this concept? Okay, one rule is there. Why James Gosling designed this rule here? And I'll start thinking like a James Gosling. While designing this concept, why this rule? What is the reason behind this rule? If this rule is not created, what is the problem? That is how I used to think. Because, study time also, while I'm learning Java also, I used to think like that. Why this rule? I go and ask my teacher, sir, why this rule? Go and remember. No, sir, there is a reason behind this rule. For example, method overriding rules are there. If that rules are not there, who will face the problem? The current developer or user developer? I used to torture my faculty like anything. One fine day he told me, Arey, I cannot answer what you are asking. Don't ask me. Really? Then who will answer to me? Then I realized, okay, my problems are solved by myself. Let me start thinking. If I ask my faculty will get answer from where? Somewhere from the web only, internet only. Then what are the questions I am getting? First, I am thinking myself. I used to write a program. I used to write complete program. A to Z complete program. I started thinking how many people are here, because I am a software engineer. Initially, I am not software engineer. After I become software engineer, then I started thinking how many complete project architecture I know. If I write this, who is facing problem? Who is not facing problem? For whom this is designed? For whom not designed? Everything I always think out of the box. That's why today, so many students are my students. So many lecturers are also my students. So many working employees also my students. So every batch I'm suggesting, because of this corona, more social media effect on your brain, your free time social media killing your time, attracting, come on, open mobile, scroll me. Okay. So because of that, last batches not up to the mark. I'm not satisfied with that batch's performance. Now I'm expecting your batch will not be like a seniors batch. And the way I am dealing with your batch is completely different than your seniors batch. I never touch operators control flow statements in the previous batches. You ask your seniors. Directly, I'll go from data types to object-oriented programming. But I change my mind. Okay, I want to go procedure first. Java fundamentals, then logical programming, then object-oriented programming, Java library, final project. So I have seen some interest in you and performing well, replying well, practicing well, maintaining the attendance also. Daily you are coming to class and you are all coming on time, that too. I found some interest in you, and whenever you are not understanding, immediately you are asking the questions and having some smile face in the class. That is very important. When I'm giving jokes, you are responding to the jokes. Hey, that is more important, Rababu. Earlier students are robots. When I give any joke, scolding also same face, jokes also same face, subject also same face. There is no difference in their, expressions and body. Silent, they'll sit like, statues, robots. But I have seen some difference in you. So I realized that I can do some experiments in your batch. I can go more deep knowledge. That's why I touch operators. Otherwise, I will not touch operators and maths. No, maths means what? Your brain has to involve. So I got some, again, some expectation, some, hope on your batch that again I can get my old success. Can I? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
What you have to do after class? So compulsory go to Google, search for MCQ questions. First you solve from minimum 4 to 5 websites. Once you find no question is remaining on all these 5 websites, then search for operators interview questions with by give 5+ years of experience. You are not at fresher level. You are 19+ years. My complete knowledge I am giving, na? Are you catching my point? You are HK plus plus. One more. No, really. Okay, you are not a fresher level developer. You are experienced fresher. Why I'm adding that fresher again? You don't know how to write code in the company, how to interact with your team members. You don't know. If enter your our team lead is giving one task, write a program. Chakchaka, you can write a program. You are an experienced person. I'll prove it. Wait a minute. I will open one more website and I'll show you. Can you write the code or not? I will prove that. Okay, na? Right? So requesting you, first you have to search for MCQs. Next, 5+ years of interview questions. Interview questions and technical answers. What the use of and operator? What the use of less than operator? That is the theory questions are called interview questions. MCQs, interview questions, then hacker rank programs, write programs. These 3 levels you have to practice every day. Then day by day, now your thinking capacity will be improved and program visualization will be improved. And finally, you will get interview 100%. Your first interview will be last interview with the package you are asking. With the package you are asking, not company giving package. With the package you are asking. I asked 10,000. My first job, I asked 10,000. Interviewer offered me 12,000. That time 10,000 is user, 2004. Okay, now 2004, 10,000 salary, and now it is a 5 lakh salary. I mean, 25, 30,000 salary now per month. Okay, he offered with my knowledge, he offered me 12,000. So I smiled, okay, thank you. So company ready to give more salary for the skilled employees. You have to improve your skills. I am here to help you. You are working or not working, it is in your hand. And tell me, is this compiled or not? 5L or cap 6L? Compiled or not compiled? Not compiled. Array, it is integer only, na? Long integer, bhaiya. Long integer conversion also same. What will be attached here? L will be attached. Ante. Okay, long integer also same. Compiled successfully and execute successfully. Ayo. What output you are getting now? 3. 5 or 5 cap, 5L cap also same answer. 3 only you will get. Can I apply them on characters? Yes. Now 97 and 98. 97 or 98. 97 cap 98. 96, 99, 3. Okay. How they are coming? Convert them. And search in the YouTube or Google. Are there any shortcut formula? Everything is a shortcut from Vedic maths, you know. For every mathematical calculation, there will be one shortcut formula. Is there any shortcut formula for and or cap? Search in the Google. If you find any answer, let me know. So that next juniors I will teach. We can also apply to whom now? Boolean. Okay, write down these points. Don't write system.out.println, write SOPLN. Fast. My intention of not uploading these programs to the Google Classroom, I want force you to write notes. If write notes, then only will remember. Completed? Tell me, what is the output? I have written answer here. True and false. True or false? True. True, XR, false. Please don't read it as cap, okay? Read it as XR. True, XR, false. True, super. You are using your brain or table? Table. If you remember a table, answer is easy. If you show your talent, katam. Can I apply to float, double and string? No. Please write down. Completed? Tell me. Next, this is what point, rule number 1. What is that? Bitwise operators can be applied on integer, character, boolean, cannot be applied on float, double and string. Next, tell me. Can I apply double and operator on numbers? No. Can I apply on boolean? Yes. Only we can apply on boolean just for reminding purpose. If you want, write, otherwise leave it. These two are compile time errors and these two are no compile time errors. Logical AND operator or operator can be applied only on boolean value. Bad operand, bad operand, bad operand. Okay, these are all errors. Just for my sake, I have written. If you want also remember, you can write, otherwise leave it. Next. Single and we can double and we can apply both on true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. Then what is the difference between them? Further, I want you write compulsory this. Write on this. These 4 lines you ought to write. Top lines, writing or not writing doesn't matter, but this is very important. Tell me what is the output? Double and means second operand executed or not executed? Depends on first operand. What the first operand value M1? Yesterday program. False. Then second operand is not executed. If first operand is false, second operand is not executed. Na? Write output here. From M1 false. Second operand is not executed. Second operand is not executed. Here what is output? From M1, M2 false. Tell me, single and if I use, what happened? Result is decided based on first operand or both operands, sir? Both operands. And then output is what? From M1, M2 false. From M1, M2 false. First executed, second executed, third executed. Online students understanding? For second message also, Second statement also same output. What is that? From M2, M1 false. From M2, M1 false. So with this, we done with our bitwise operator. OR operator also same, you can add. From M2, M1 false. Done, everyone? Now, next write down bitwise complement operator. Bitwise complement operator. Bitwise complement operator. बोलो bitwise complement operator unary or binary? Unary operator. It will be applied only for one operand, unary operator. Okay. Then to what type of operands it is allowed to apply? To only either number or character, not even to Boolean also. The meaning of bitwise complement is it just change the sign increased by 1. The given number increased by 1 and change the sign to negative. Complement means what? Opposite. Increase by 1, change the sign. If you take negative number, decrease by 1, change the sign. If you add plus here, plus, minus here, minus, and change the sign. That is the meaning of complement. Okay, right. It is a unary operator. It is unary operator. Come on. It is used for. It is used for. It is used for complementing. Complementing. In bracket, changing sign. Changing sign. Sign ante plus or minus. Right on. Changing sign plus or minus. Either by increasing. Either by increasing 1. Either by increasing 1 or decreasing 1. Either by increasing 1 or decreasing 1. Based on number, based on number sign. Based on the number sign. Sign ante positive, minus. Okay, down. Formula. Formula. Formula, write like this. For positive integer, for positive integer, plus or minus a sign, minus number plus 1. For negative integer, plus number minus. Next point. It can be applied to only. It can be applied to only. Which operator? It can be applied to only integer and character. It can be applied to only integer and character. Integer and character. Okay, na? Write down these examples. Writing down also. Write comment also. This is what the value? You can take any big number, no problem. 16,876 plus 1, 7 minus. And this is 5 positive. This is what value will come? Minus 98. This one? Let us see now. Let's see that result will come out. Okay? Right output side. All these are errors. Close main method, close class. Ma? Wrong or right? Correct only na? 97 minus 1, 96. It's a negative, added positive. Done? Close main method, close class. Down. What is the priority of these 4 operators? Bitwise operators are executed before logical operator or after logical operator? After logical operator. Logical operators are meant for what? Concatenating. Single and single are meant for what? Concatenating or for calculation. These are the calculation operators. Calculation operators always executed before logical and relational operators. Logical and relational operators before only bitwise operators are executed. After arithmetic operators or before arithmetic operators? Okay, let me check once. Okay, why unnecessary confusion? Now let's copy this. Look, what is the order of execution? Bitwise and bitwise, exclusive or inclusive or. They don't have same priority. Okay, first priority to bitwise complement. And bitwise complement is unary operator, na? Unary operator is always having first priority, right? Operator precedence. Operator precedence. First, bitwise complement, then and bitwise complement, then and next XR. Finally, inclusive OR. That is order execution. When all these operators are executed, that is also important. These four operators precedence is this one. First, bitwise complement, bitwise AND, bitwise XR, bitwise inclusive OR. That is the order. These four operators get a chance to execute only after arithmetic, incrementing, decrementing, relational operators completed. Okay, na? Before logical operators, these operators are executed. Mention that point also. All these four operators are executed. Wait 1 minute. Always unary bitwise is first executed. After bitwise, write down. After bitwise, multiplicative. Multiplicative ante star division modulo. Then additive. Plus or minus. Arithmetic operators has two levels, na? Then shift operators. Then relational. Then equality. Then bitwise. After bitwise, logical. Bitwise, logical. Interviewer will not torture too much. Don't worry, okay? You want just a simple questions only will ask. But you have little common sense, okay? Next, take it in. Shift operators. Shift operators. It is an assignment to you. I am not going to teach. Leave one side page. It is assignment. By tomorrow you are coming, you have to complete this assignment. Search in the Google or YouTube or wherever you want. What is the purpose of left shift? What is the purpose of right shift? And what is the purpose of double right shift? C language supports a double left shift also, but Java doesn't support left shift. It supports only double right shift. What is this? Like bitwise, shift operator is also bitwise only. It is also working on bits. It will work on binary data. If you take 5 converted to binary data, and then what is doing? Shifting bits left side, shifting bits right side. How much it is shifting, I want you find out. Okay, work out on this one by your own. Leave one side page space and then go to next slide on ternary operator. Ternary operator. Ternary operator. Question mark colon. Right, first point. Question mark colon. Question mark colon is called ternary operator. Question mark colon is called ternary operator. Full stop. It is also called as a conditional operator. It is also called conditional operator. It is also called conditional operator. Full stop. It is used for 1 minute. It is a shortcut of, don't say used for, it is a shortcut of writing. It is a shortcut of writing if else block statements. It is used for it is a shortcut of writing if hyphen else block statements. If hyphen else block statements. Okay, down. Syntax. Syntax. Write down this. Boolean expression question mark expression 1 colon expression 2. Okay. Tell me. How can you write Boolean expression here? I mean, if block here. This is equal to if our Boolean expression is coming here. Boolean expression, open bracket, closed bracket, else, open bracket, closed bracket. Here, what logic you write? True logic, false logic? True logic. Here we'll write expression 1 logic. That's nothing but true logic. Here what you write? Expression 2. Expression 1. Let me remove this. And this is expression 2. This is nothing but false logic. Okay, na? Write on that side. You write this. This much lengthy code writing place, we write the shortcut. Done? Shall you write small program? Write a program to verify given number is even or odd. If number is even, print even. Else print odd. Else print odd. Tell me, show your talent. How can you find number is even or odd? Divided by 2. Divided by 2 returns quotient. You should find quotient or remainder. Remainder is 0. Then number mod 2 equal to 0 even, else odd. Can you write the code? Write on main method class even or odd. Write down, everyone try. Class space even or odd. Open bracket, main method. Inside main method, take one number. Did I cover reading runtime values from keyboard? Read from the keyboard using scanner. Read from keyboard by using scanner. Scanner SSCN equal to new scanner. Next, enter number. SOPLN, enter number. Online students writing a. Next, store that number in the variable int num, num equals to SCN dot next int. Offline students are working super wonderful. So online students are more hardworking people. Offline students are more hardworking people. The competition is there. Next, you wanted to find the number is even or odd. That means what you write? If bracket number, what the operator I have to use? Mod 2 returns number na. How to compare? Equal to operator. Equal to 0. Then true logic. What the true logic? System dot out dot println. Double number plus is a even. Is even, right? Class even or odd. Main method. First I have to write import java dot util dot scanner. Then scanner SCN equals to new scanner of system dot in. Then what do you write? System dot out dot print of enter number. Then int number equal to SCN dot next int. Then if number equals to number mod 2 equals to 0. That means what is it? Tell me. I have written all the two operators individually. When I write two operators individually, are those operators blindly executed from left to right or right to left or precedence? Operator precedence. First, what is executed? Mod. It is a multiplicative operator, always have first priority. Then comparison operator. First number mod 2 executed, then compared with 0. Found true. Then true logic executed. System dot out dot println of. System dot out dot println of. What I want to print? Number plus double quotes is even. Next, else. Generally, we will write else in the same line like this. If you are, listen carefully, if you are writing bracket down, you are Amirpet student, Amirpet faculty. Understand? Don't habituate writing like this. Always you have to bring this bracket to side. Okay? Remember that. So don't follow Amirpet style. You are going to face a lot of problems in the company. Right? Always you have to habituate the syntax like this. This is a good practice. Then now you are right here. System dot out print number is even a order. So don't be a Amirpet product. This is the code. Save it. Control 1, compile, and control 2, execute. Execute, not execute. Why? In Eclipse, in Edit Plus, if you want execute, class name and Java file name must be same. I'm taking Java file name, order number test 199, even or odd, but class name is this. Is it possible to run a class in the Edit Plus class name Java file name with a different name? Yes, sir. You have to do the configuration. Configure user tools, add tool, program, JVM with class name. You can take any name, okay? JVM with class name. What is the command? Java C. Go to C drive, JDK. JDK 22 came. You know, Java 22 version came on March 19th. Install 22. What? Install JDK 22 and start work on JDK 22. There are so many new features came. Okay, I'm releasing videos on that also. Enjoy. Learn them. Java na Java C na? Java. Hey, execution ra, JVM ra. Java. What is the argument? File name. File name or file name without extension? File name without extension. File name without extension and Java file name class name not same na? Then observe, scroll down. Are there any option? File path, file directory, file name, file extension, project name, current line number, no, current column number, no, current selection. Can I choose this option? Current selection, file directory, apply. Okay. Now which class you want to run? This class. Selected, control 3. Executed na? Control 3. Enter number 10. 10 is a even. Again run. Control 2 na? Control 3 ya? Control 3. Select it and control 3. 15. 15 is odd. So tell me, whatever the operators, data storing, this is our data storing chapter. Data types, variables, object. And this is what? Operators chapter. And this is control flow statement. Next chapter, no problem. Okay, we can use it. Tell me now, complete whatever in up to now, everything able to apply now? Already comfortable? Tell me, what is the, carefully observe if else. In if else you have written multiple statements or only one statement? Only one statement. In both statements, you are displaying the same text message. Na? In if you are writing different logic, in else you are writing different logic, then you are write if else. If you are writing if else with one expression Boolean result, only one line, if also one line, else also one line. In both lines you are writing same kind of result, then don't use if else. That is old style and that is a lengthy style and Amirpet style. Okay, what you have to write? Use ternary operator, use conditional operator. What is the common logic between them? What you want to do in if and else? Print, copy that print statement. What you want to print? Number is even, number is odd. Number is even, number is odd. When? Based on the condition. What the condition? Number mod 2. Number mod 2. All three bring into the SOPL. Then write plus. Hey, no, you are not here for concatenating. First, evaluate this expression. If this expression is true, return this. Ternary operator will not print. Ternary operator will generate the result and return the result. Return the result. That result you have to pass to what? Println, or you have to store in a variable. If you are passing to println, what you write? Number mod 2 equal to. After that, I have to write what? Question mark. And number is even, colon. Number is odd. Tell me, 3-4 lines of code become what? One line. But it is a little difficult for you to understand. 2 to 3 times if you practice, it is easy. Whenever you need to write one if else condition, one statement, then your mind fingers automatically type if else, no, directly ternary operator you will write. Understood? Able to understand how I converted it? Both common logic is what? SOPLN. What is the condition? Question mark. True logic printing message and false logic printing message. Here printing or returning? Returning. So println printing it. Right now. Because ternary operator is working on one condition, it is called conditional operator. Why it is called ternary operator? Because it's working with three expressions. 1, 2, 3. If you are confusing, write them in bracket. If you are confusing, write in bracket. This is expression, Boolean expression, and this is true expression, and this is false expression. Even you can write this one in the next line also. Have written if, right? It is called ternary operator because it takes three operands. This is operand 1, operand 2, operand 3. You must practice more examples on ternary operator by your own. Okay? Chestara, chustara. Ternary operator prints, returns. Right in that point. Then we can either print that result or store in a variable too. Tell me, if you want to store this result from this ternary operator, tell me, this expression I want to assign to a variable. Tell me what type of variable I have to take? Boolean variable. This is an expression. Based on this expression, it return true value or false value. What the true value? Is it a Boolean type on? Number plus string result is what? String. Number plus result is string. Then now from here or there, what is coming? String result. Then what variable I have to take? String. Nana? If you want to return true false, then you take Boolean here based on the expression type. Okay, true false expression type. We must what do you read? As shown above, or we can store result in variable as shown below. String result equal to, and here I am writing system dot out dot println of result. Save. What the rule? The variable type must be the expression True. Okay, must be operand 2 and operand 3 expression result type. The variable type must be the operand 2 and operand 3 expression result. Here result is string. In the above statement, result type is string. So we must choose string type variable. Completed? Huh? Manish Gupta. Once again, read arithmetic operators, equality operators. Then you will understand. Still, if you don't understand, ping me on WhatsApp, I'll explain. Completed, guys? Okay. Now, let's see. Now tell me, 5 or 3 completed. What is this? Ternary operator is coming. Tell me, what is the output? 6 greater than 4, true. True means 10. Yeah, super. Sir, if exam Veda is following our order of learning operators, did you notice that? Wow, super. Second. Now tell me, which operator is used to perform bitwise XOR? C. Okay. What is the result of 3 shift left shift to 2? We didn't learn. You have to learn today. Okay. Go to room and read the article on shift operators and learn. Don't ask me. And next, what is the value expression, true or false? True. Next, what is the result of expression? 2. Next, which operator used for string concatenation? Plus. What is the result of expression 4 into 2 plus 3? 11. Huh? 6 plus 3, 8 plus 3. Correct only, na? Why is crying? Sometimes websites also doing mistake. Okay. Answer and solution. D. Huh? Amma? 4 into 2, how much? 8 plus 3? Correct only, na? Then how 10? Okay. Sometimes he also do mistake. Okay. Because it's not Google, what do you call, Sun Microsystem given website. Na? Sometimes mistakes there. You are great. You want to prove? For proving purpose. So when your answer is not equal to website answer, just use the system. 4 into 3, 4 into 2, 4 into 2 plus 3. Save. Control 1, control 2, 11. Yeah, 20, say. Not 20. And next, which operator is used for exponential, exponentiation in Java? Hey. Cap. Cap will be used. Exponentiation. Okay. XR will be used for that. Next, exponentiation ante 3 power 3, 2 power 4. If you want power operation, if you want to use, then cap will be used to represent power. Next, what the value of expression 9 mod 4? 1. Okay, you are masters. Bitwise operator in Java. A, single and. Which result of expression 8 by 4? 2. A select చేసి సరే okay. Okay. Okay, like this. Hope you can complete remaining. Okay. Now, not completed class. 1 minute. There is a concept called all operators are we use individual. Can I use ternary operator in ternary operator? Can I nest ternary operator? Yes. In expression 1, again can I use a ternary? Yes. In expression 2, can I use again ternary? Yes. Then how many question marks? How many colons? And suppose if you open bracket, open bracket, open bracket, open bracket, I should close properly, no? That closing properly, if you will not do, you will get syntax mistake. Like that, ternary operator also we can nest. The nesting ternary operator you should close properly. So will you try that example also? Add the statement. We can nest ternary operator. We can nest ternary operator. We can nest ternary operator means either in operand, okay, in any of the 3 operands, in any of the 3 operands, in any of the 3 operands, we can use in any of the 3 operands, we can use ternary operator again. We can use ternary operator again. Full stop. Here the rule is, we must use question mark and colon. Here we must use question mark and colon, closing properly, closing and matching properly. Question mark and colon, closing, matching properly. Okay, write these 3 expressions and tell output your own. You can write 1 SOPLN or, okay, write down 3 SOPL. There is a compile time error and there is a output. Okay, write down, don't read. Write down and work yourself. Okay, up to now completed syllabus. Any topic you have doubts, any topic you want revision, just work out today. Okay, with this we completed operators. Shift operators you have to work your own, that is 1 assignment. And remaining operator is what? Lambda operator that we discussed in the Java 8 new features discussion. New operator in the object creation already you know. Okay, so remaining operators will be covered in the future classes. Up to now completed topics. Any topic you have confusion, you want to do any revision, let me know so that we can discuss them. Okay, tomorrow when you come to the class, I want you come to the class with a full clarity on what you have learned up to now. How many days completed by today? Whatever days completed? $37 days, excluding holidays. Don't cover holidays. Sorry, including holidays, no problem. 45 days completed. Okay, by this 45 days completed, are you got confidence on language? I'm not talking on Java. I'm talking on programming language. Programming language means simple mathematical operations we are doing by using computer. Totally, how many activities we have to do? 4. Number 1, storing data. Number 2, performing validations and calculations. Number 4, controlling flow of execution. Number 5, throwing exception. We completed 2 parts. Reading and storing data completed. We read and store data, mathematical values. Read and store data, object-oriented style also we learn. Second, control flow state. Performing validations and calculation. That is operators. By today, we completed. We done operator calculations with mathematics. Then how can we do these calculations in object-oriented style? That's what we have to learn coming weeks. Okay. And then tomorrow we are starting control flow statements. Totally, there are 11 keywords are there as part of control flow statements. 3 concepts, 11 keywords. How many operators? 40. How many control flow statements? 11. 11 divided into 3 groups. 40 operators divided into 12 groups. 12 groups, huh? 12 groups. Control flow statements are divided into 3 groups. Control flow statements we can complete fast. It will not take this much time. Okay. So conditional statements, 1 day, maximum 3 days I need. Conditional statement, tomorrow we'll complete conditional statements, and next loops, and then next transfer statements, nested loops, and infinite loops. These are the topics we have to learn. Clear? So maybe take 3 days. Control flow statements take 3 days. By completing end of this week, we are getting full-fledged knowledge on operators, control flow statements. Then now onwards, slowly you have to spend the time, 15 minutes per day. 15 minutes per day, you have to start spending time on Python also. Java, Python. We are crying to learn one language, you are asking me to learn another language also. See, as your well-wisher, it is my responsibility to tell you what you need to learn. Learning or not learning, feeling easy, feeling difficult, accepting the challenge or losing the challenge, it is up to you. You know, right? Slowly, market is moving towards what? AI. And Java language also version by version fastly changing. Java language also version by version changing its features very fast. And also it is going towards AI support. Already existing language is what? Python. Using Python, already some projects are developed. When you join in the company, you may work on Java or may work on Python. If company says, now we have project on Python work, I don't know Python, no, how can I work on it? Company will not accept, it will terminate you from the job. So we should ready for taking any challenge, Java based code or Python based code or JavaScript based code. There are 3 codes are running in the company. Number 1, Java based code, Python based code, JavaScript based code. Any of these 3 codes you must able to write. In all 3 languages, what operations you are doing? 4. Storing data, validate and calculation, controlling, throwing exception. All 4 operations. But what is changing from one language to another language? Syntaxes. We learn thoroughly Java syntaxes. Then learn Python syntaxes. How much time you required for learning new cycle? 15 minutes. You know already one cycle balancing and writing. Another new cycle you wanted to write. Then how to balance that cycle, how to get onto the cycle, just it takes 15 minutes. First program, how to print message on the hello Python. Hello world program first. Second, comments. Third, identifiers. 4, keywords. 5th, data types. 6th, variables. 7th, objects. 8th, operators. 8 topics we completed. Same 8 topics. 8 topics, each topic take 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. Khatam. You are learning again Python programming? No. Same program, you are writing Python with a new syntax. Sir, if I learn Python syntax, I may confuse. Chicken biryani, mutton biryani, are you confusing? Wonderfully getting ready, water mouth coming, no? Mutton biryani. Right? Come on, aja, right? They are only accepted. Now Python, more confusion. Array, Python is not real anaconda. It will not eat you. Don't worry. It is just a word. Okay. Now take this challenge. From next week onwards, you have to spend the time 2 hours, 1 hour 45 minutes for Java, 15 minutes for Python. This is your challenge. Get ready your brain. Make your brain ready for it. Okay, na? Everyone will work. Thank you. That's all for today class. This is assignment. Ayya, Amma, this is assignment. There is a compile time error. There is a output. Find where is compile time error. Why compile time error? 2 assignments I gave. Shift operators and nested ternary operator. Thank you. Darshan, already I shared operators. Check once. A value. మీకు నచ్చిన రాసుకోండి. A equal to 10 or 5 మీకు నచ్చిన అదేముండదు. మీకు నచ్చిన వాల్యూ రాసేసుకోవడం. int A equal to, you can write whatever. Write yourself. Int A equal to. Yeah. Shankar, Shakti Shankar, what is your doubt?
Public static void mainstream ARG and ARG में सर क्या करेंगे मतलब ये भी सर execute होने पर मैं भी नहीं करती सर execute
That is name. Your wish, any name you can choose. That is not predefined. That is identifier. That is a parameter, na? In parameter, identifier is your wish. It's not predefined. Parameter name is user defined.
కోచింగ్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ సెపరేట్
ఇదే నోట్స్ ఇంకా సెపరేట్ నోట్స్ ఏమి ఉండదు. Yeah. Shankar, you can unmute.
Yeah, hello sir.
Bolo.
Yeah, sir, my doubt is like about a ternary operator. If the first condition is executed, if the first condition is true, then that will second condition is execute, or what is like that? But ternary operator. I just little bit confusion, not like a doubt.
This is not condition. This is expression.
Okay, yes sir.
If
If true,
Boolean
then
expression is true, expression 1 is executed.
if false, then expression 2 will execute, right?
If this Boolean expression result is true, expression 1 executed. If a Boolean expression is false, second expression is executed.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay.